Mamukase. So Tim Pachedu has unearthed a scandal of land which was sold to Belarus by the Zimbabwean leaders. And the area of the land is 54,650 hectares, approximately 55,000. And the perimeter is 241 kilometers. So according to Tim Pachedu, they said, we have mapped the land that ED gave to Belarus for gold mining. Perimeter is 241 kilometers. Area is close to 54,650 hectares. Hot springs and Nyanyadzi have been swallowed. Also sweeps through homesteads, cemeteries, hospitals, and schools, including Africa University. This must be stopped. So this is what Tim Pachedu is saying, and this is the first part of this map, and 36,600 hectares is affected by special mining grant number 6861 awarded to Belarus. And let us take a look on the other map. This is the second map here. 10,450 hectares affected by special mining grant number 6859 awarded to Belarus as well. Below there are the coordinates on the picture. This is the second one, and this is the third one. 7,600 hectares affected by special mining grant number 6860 awarded to Belarus. Okay, so these are the three maps so far which we have seen here, and they are saying that this land is being given to Belarus so that they can proceed with alluvial gold mining. And the question is, according to William Zambezi, what was the agreement? What did Zimbabwe benefited from this? We have seen Belarus giving Zimbabwe mabazi akapublicizwa aya akazonzi futi abiwa. We have seen those buses. That is the only thing we have seen from Belarus, according to the information which we have, or according to the things which are in the public domain. We only saw those buses. But is it wise for you to take buses from Belarus, parcel those buses to somebody else who's a private player, then give land to something which I don't know? Kuti zvinofamba sanza netim pachedu, Zimbabwe did not benefit anything. Of course, Belarus gave us tractors and buses, but tractors won't benefit the ordinary man, and buses we no longer see them on the road. Senior officials are the ones who benefit mostly. Okay, I agree with Tim Pachedu. Yanzi saka kumusha kwedu kubechinafuta vakutoti I'm from Belarus ka. Okay. Hanzi ngoda yaenda, that's all diamond area. Okay, Hanzi, yes, there is also diamond. Nyanyadzi is close to Chiadzwa. Okay, Hanzi, the hot springs to Beshinov Bridge, farming projects, schools, business centers, clinic, police camp, all gone. Maeka sekuru angu atengeswa. Okay, it said, yes, there is a police camp that has been affected close to Beshinov Bridge. So Team Zimbabwe, this is what is happening, Team Zimbabwe. And this is the message which is here. And this is constructive, something which we really need to take a look on, something which you cannot ignore. So 54,000 hectares is not a joke. 54,000 hectares, if you just try to divide by 4 hectares each, you'd see kuti that is a lot of land inogona kuhausa so many families. So let us do the math here. 54,000 divided by 4 hectares, that is 13,500 households affected at once. So Team Zimbabwe, this is the reason why we are saying, let us register to vote. Let us make sure that we don't make any mistake, and let us make sure that we put the government of Advocate Nelson Chamisa in power, so that they reverse all these things, so that they protect Zimbabwe. Never underestimate these people. The reason why 240 million has been placed for this election is because a lot is happening. a lot has been happening, and a lot of deals which are illegal were signed. So they have to protect whatever they did with whatever they have. So because of those shared interests. So I don't know, guys. Let us talk in the comment section, but let us make sure that we register to vote. Let us make sure that we strengthen the support base of Triple C. Let us use the 1+5, where each and every person recruits 5 people to go and register to vote, so that the election is won by each and every progressive citizen. So this is it in Zimbabwe. It's not about Nelson Chamisa, it's about change in the nation of Zimbabwe.